Hi, I'm Rohit Goswami, and some of you may know me as the section leader for 881. They were fantastic. Thank you very much. And today I'm here to be a part of this Ask Me Anything. And I'll be talking about machine learning and physical sciences. So very quickly, to not get into too many details, I just want to go over some of the typical problems you might think you want to ask me. For example, what is an interesting problem in my field? You can see here that we're talking about, this is a simulation. This is what water does. And you can see different kinds of ice forming, and it's pretty good. It's amazing, really. And this is a fun problem. You can do a lot of great things with published papers. You can solve this, but this is really an algorithmic approach. This is like graph theoretic. So what about machine? Take a second to describe another prototypical problem, which is that of protein folding. And the problem is simple. You have a bunch of these amino acids, they come together, they form different shapes. I want to know how and when they do that, or at least scientists in my field want to know. In other words, what we're looking for are the saddle points on this. And yeah, it looks great, right? Blue is AlphaFold, green is ground truth. So what about me? What do I do? More precisely, well, see this equation on the screen? I start with positions like the ones on the right, and I basically am supposed to solve the equation on the left, but I don't want to do it. Nobody wants to do it. It's a horrible equation. So instead, I want to find an approximation to let it do this equation for me instead. Now, there's something very important which I want to talk about, and that is really, if there's one thing you have to take away from this, it is just this. We can solve with machine learning a lot of problems. We can solve problems on the domain on the side of like picoseconds, which is all the way on the left, to all the way on the right, which are the protein problems. But this is hype, okay? This happens when news media try to explain science. Not a good plan. So this hype brings, it rears an ugly head. Right? Don't be this guy. We at CS106A know that like algorithms are great, computers are great, but we're in charge, right? So don't be this person. Don't say that machine learning is taking over your job, taking over your life. Don't do that. Ask me anything. And yeah, stay awesome. Go thank your section leaders. And Chris and Maran, of course. Yeah.